Hey my lovely people, thank you for joining me once more, and today I'm having a quick okro and hard chicken. For the ingredient I have onions, okro, fresh tomatoes and green pepper. For seasoning, like always, I used salt and chicken bouillon, but if you want more seasoning, please, you're allowed to do so. And not to forget the hard chicken, I've been boiling it already. For spices, I used black and white pepper, chicken bouillon, nutmeg, and some chicken spices. While the chicken is boiling, I'll start by frying some onions. Once translucent, I'll add the green pepper, fried well, and add the okra, then the tomatoes. You can also add the tomatoes before the okra. I think that's the best way to go about it. Add the tomatoes first, fry everything well, then add your okra. You fry again for further 1 to 2 minutes. If it's your first time on my channel, I appreciate you and thank you for stopping by. Please hit the subscribe button for you to join the family. And please know that videos are dropped every second week. Back to the chicken, it is soft to my liking, and as you can see that the water is reduced to a nice concentrated chicken stock. Here you've got a choice. You can either fry your chicken first before adding the fried onions and tomatoes, or you can just pour everything like that and cook it further. But I will prefer that you fry the chicken first, then add the frying onions and tomatoes after. This was just a quick one. I had friends over, so we were just making a quick meal for us to enjoy. Add just enough water and let it cook further until all is well combined and the water has reduced to a nice thick sauce. As I said, this was just a quick meal to myself and some friends. We were so hungry, but normally I fry my chicken first before adding the fried ingredient, tomatoes and onions in the chicken pot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, as usual, please subscribe to support the channel and don't forget to like and share to your family and friends and leave a comment for me in the comment section below.